Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to add and remove other users' accounts on this laptop. So first open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select Accounts and scroll down to Other Users section, open it, and then right here click Add Account, and then you can add another user using their Microsoft account. If you want to do that this way, you just have to enter their email or phone number, then enter their password, then set up a PIN for them, and this will be enough to add another user's account. But if you want to create an account locally, which is the more frequent option, then you have to select I don't have this person sign-in information in this window, and then in the following window you'll have to select add a user without a Microsoft account. So right now, once you select all of this, you'll have to create a name for this user, then make the password for them, make sure that you remember it, re-enter the password, and in case they forget their password, they'll have to answer some security questions. So select 3 security questions. Okay, and select and enter the answers for them, and just in case you can also write them down. So enter the answers. I'm not sure if I spelled it right, but okay. Click next, and this way you add another user's account. And right now, if you want to switch to it, select the Start menu, select your account icon, tap on the 3-dot icon in the upper right corner of this tab, and then select their account. And once you select it, you'll have to enter the password, and you'll be able to log in to their account, to sign into their account. Now, if you want to remove their account, you'll have to go back into this tab, so Accounts, Other Users, and then if you want to remove an account, you'll have to first sign out of it. I didn't sign into it, so it's gonna happen instantly, but in case you have already signed into another account, you'll have to sign out of it first, and then go into the admin account, which is yours, and click remove right here, and then click delete account and data, and the account will be removed instantly, or it might take some time if there are files on the other account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.